See, I have been saying for many times that, and it is ethically and politically also, it is correct for us to discuss Manipur on the floor of the House. In the 17th Lok Sabha also people have demanded, particularly my party and opposition in general have demanded. So since the beginning of the 18th Lok Sabha as well, we have been demanding it. It's just normalizing this an abnormal situation where people are still languishing in relief camps. People are not able to get access to public facilities like the highways, the hospitals, the airport, educational institutions. This is not normal. And there is a huge loss of life and property, and one need also to fix accountability. There are thousands of troops. Indian Army, you have two divisions, one Assam Rifle, one regular Indian Army. There are 40 plus reportedly Manipur police personnel, thousands of Central Armed Police, and new troops were also sent in right from the 3rd of May 2023. Iski Babajud, despite all these things, people have lost lives and properties. We need to investigate and fix accountability why this has happened. And people are still languishing in relief camps. And you can't go on like this. People can't travel on highways. People can't get access to airport. How can you allow these things to go on like this? It's been 2.5 years now. So we need to discuss all these things must be subjected to legislative oversight of the parliament. And that's why I moved this resolvement. You must have heard me demanding this before as well.
But now, sir, a few days are left, sir, for the parliament. What's your expectation from the government, sir? Do you think they will allow you to discuss on this issue?
No, the question is whether they are now. They should have. I said, Raj Dharma hona chahiye. Parliament का ये एक ड्यूटी बनता है कि जो इस समस्या को डिस्कस करना देश में. We have discussed वंदे मातरम 10 कंधा लगा के डिस्कस किया. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का 75 साल की डिस्कशन हुआ. अरे हकीकत में जो मणिपुर में जो हो रहा है उसके बारे में भी डिस्कशन होना चाहिए कि नहीं? You need to have a discussion on this. It is a demand. I don't know if you see it's only Manipur specific demand. You are missing the point that Manipur is part of India. ये मैं बांग्लादेश के बारे में या नेपाल के बारे में डिस्कशन मांग रहा नहीं हूँ. मैंने जो मांगा है मणिपुर के बारे में डिस्कस करना है. मणिपुर इस देश का एक हिस्सा है. मैं थोड़ी नेपाल की सिचुएशन में या बांग्लादेश की सिचुएशन में चर्चा करने के लिए टाइम मांगा तो नहीं है ना. मैंने मणिपुर के लिए तो मांगा है ना. So that whether they allow it or not, it is their Rajadharma. It is my responsibility to remind them again that I am asking a discussion on your own state. I am not asking for discussion on Nepal or Bangladesh. That they must understand.
Sir, क्या आपने अपनी पार्टी के अंदर इस बात को लेकर डिस्कशन किया है? क्योंकि we have seen today that आप लोग आज मनरेगा को लेकर काफी प्रोटेस्ट किया. तो have you discussed with your high command at the Rajya Sabha and the Lok Sabha?
No, we discussed. I have discussed this many times before. In fact, our party has moved. If you remember, our deputy leader Gogoi ji has also done it before. He has moved adjournment motion to discuss Manipur. This government is refusing. ये नहीं कि कांग्रेस ने ये सवाल उठाए नहीं. ये तो नहीं ना. We have been trying to press. So I also pressed it because it's winter and I can see recently ये घटना भी हुआ मणिपुर में कि ये जो IDP लोग है वो घर जाना चाहते हैं वो लोग. लेकिन government cracked down on them, stopped them, tear gas shelling. These things are happening. That's why we need to remind this country and our parliamentarian that इस देश में ऐसे घटना हो रहा है, ऐसी situation ये नहीं होना चाहिए. तो that's why you have to keep on pressing. वो अलाउ करना नहीं करना उसका राजधर्म की बात है. जो मेरा कर्तव्य बनता है तो करना पड़ेगा ना मुझे. वही कर रहा हूँ.
मनरेगा पर आपका क्या रिएक्शन है?
ये डिसेस मैं तो सोच रहा था कि गांधी जी को किसने मारा. ये संसद में ये आके उसका नाम मिटाने के लिए कोशिश कर रही है. This is not acceptable. You remember that Gandhi ji has this idea of Gram Sabha, पंचायत जो है ना विलेज रिपब्लिक की तरह एम्पावर करना था. टू एम्पावर द विलेजेस है कि नहीं. तो ये जो बिल लाया गया है, एक तो उसने गांधी जी का नाम हटाने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा है. सेकेंड, व्हाट इज एसेंशियली a right base act that converting into a government sponsor program. माने कि ये गवर्नमेंट के एक मेहरबानी के जैसा दिखा रही है. ये हक है. ये जो पहला वाला जो मैंने लगा वाला जो फॉर्मुलेशन है, in that it is a right based discourse and it to empower the villagers, and they are trying to turn it into government. There are a lot of problems, and they have increased the component of the state 40%, 60% central government. Already जो अभी जो चल रहा है full fledged है ये तो, and it's a demand based. Remember that you demand. It's my right. हमको हवा चाहिए, हमको पानी चाहिए, बिजली चाहिए. इसी तरह एक हक है, हमको काम चाहिए. नौकरी देना आपका ड्यूटी है सरकार का. ये जो प्रेमाइस है ना, उसको वो इन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं वो लोग, उसको हटाने के लिए. दिस इज अ वेरी बैड मूव. आई डोंट नो व्हाई दे आर डूइंग दिस. एक तो सीधी सी है, इसको पैसा दे देंगे कॉर्पोरेट वालों को, यू नो, जनरल पॉपुलेशन या जो विलेजेस का जो बेसिक एम्पावरमेंट से हटा के. आई डोंट नो व्हाट दे आर ट्राइंग टू. दे आर एसेंशियली ट्राइंग टू किल दिस प्रोग्राम. धीरे धीरे स्टेट नहीं दे पाएगा 40% जो है, यू नो, स्पेशली जो पोपे. आई नो माई स्टेट, even in many other schemes where many of these states are struggling to even give 10% of many of the schemes, the centrally sponsored schemes, you have 10%. Many of them are not able to do it because of that. The policy gets affected, right? Now they are increasing into 40%. What do you think this will happen? So I think it's a very bad move. It's an unethical move. You know, the rest of the country must be aware of this. It is not a fight for Congress or the opposition. We are just representing the people of this country, and especially the poor people.
One last question, sir. We have seen that today a big relief to Gandhi family on the national hierarchy.
ये भी है ना, ये there is a technique which even the fascists and the Nazis have done. उसमें आप आरोप लगा के चले जाओ, बाद में जो विद्रोह किया ना, किसी को ध्यान में नहीं रहेगा. You know, they have been pronouncing as if somebody is guilty and all kinds of witch hunt they have been doing. Now the court has refused to accept it. It is against it. There is nothing. They are trying to get an impression that people are wrong and so on. It's nothing, but they have been doing like this. It's the worst form of politics. I think at one level I feel sad that this country is going through for the last few years. The way you understand India, the way you understand your country, you understand constitutional order. You know, things have been turned around in such a manner that everything is being bulldozed now. You know, right base, village को जो empowerments को हटाना, गांधी जी का नाम मिटाना, किसी को गलत आरोप लगाना, and all kinds of things, intimidating, threatening. I think we are going through it, and I hope we'll come through this challenge and we'll recover ourselves.